Let's make the most amazing grilled cheese sandwich you're probably ever going to have. All you need, some lovely crispy crusty white bread, cheese, butter, garlic, mini shallot, chutney. Yes, chutney. A little bit of oil. Let's go. Some oil into the pan. Slice yourself some onion. Chop some garlic. Shutting! I've already done it. Chuck all in. We want these to really caramelise. Really, just get some colour on there. We're going to use this for the filling. Whee! Don't care what anyone says, grate your cheese. Grated cheese, for some reason, tastes better than slicing your cheese. You can say whatever you want, I don't care. Fact. Don't forget to try it. Oh, there's cheese! Slice of bread. Nice, thick, chunky bread. Alright. Let's start building. Start with some cheese. Chutney. Your onion and garlic. Butter in the pan. Some more cheese. Tiny little bit more chutney. Why? Because we can. Squish it on down, baby. Into the pan, push down. Get that butter soaked into the bread. Now I flipped it quite early because I want that butter on the bottom layer as well. This is just like a naughty, buttery treat. I shouldn't really eat it. I should be healthy. I should be having a smoothie. But I just want the cheese. Look at that. Yummy. Oh yeah, baby. A bit smoky in here. That chutney. Oh yeah, baby.